Are your hair stiff and dry? Do you dream of soft, smooth, and healthy ringlets? If you answered yes to both questions, then we ask you to forget about shop-based over-the-counter drugs and use coconut oil instead, which has a lot of useful and medicinal properties for your hair. Today, we devote to the coconut oil and hair overnight, 3 best night mask for hair, from coconut oil overnight recipe preparation, and use for night care of hair. Here are the 3 best night masks for hair from coconut oil. Number 1. Honey Coconut Mask. The combination of coconut oil and honey is ideal for dry scalp and hard problematic strands. Honey coconut mixture helps to retain moisture in the hair itself and controls the loss of protein. In addition, coconut oil helps to cool the skin, and honey adds extra shine and prevents the appearance of a section at the tips of the hair. Prepare honey coconut mask by the following recipe: 2 small spoons of honey mixed with 2 large spoons of coconut oil. Mix well the components and apply to the scalp and hair. Before you go to bed, put a towel on the pillow and put it into an old unnecessary pillowcase. In the morning, wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Number 2. Olive Coconut Mask. This mask helps to cure even the most dry and problem ringlets. With the help of an olive coconut mask, the hair will become soft, obedient, shining, and energetic. The recipe for creating the described remedy is simple. In 3 large spoons of olive oil, add 2 large spoons of coconut oil, stir the ingredients until it mix. Before applying the composition, you need to comb your hair and put a towel on the pillow. Using an olive coconut mixture, massage the dermis of the head, distribute the remnants of the product through the hair. After the procedure, comb the hair again, and go to sleep. In the morning, rinse your hair with cold water, this is important. Then rinse with shampoo and conditioner. Number 3. Egg Coconut Mask with Honey. The composition of this mask will also help to eliminate dryness, damage, and brittle hair. The egg is rich in protein, which is necessary for the strong structure and health of the hair. Also, the egg coconut mask helps to prevent hair loss, restore strength, and vitality to hair. To prepare this recipe, whip the raw yolk, and mix it with a large spoon of warm coconut oil, and a small spoon of warm honey. With the help of the prepared liquid composition, we perform scalp massage in the same way as described in the previous recipe. If the mask spreads, you can apply it to the dermis and strands with a brush. After the massage, put a shower cap on your head and go to bed. In the morning, wash off your hair with shampoo and conditioner. If you want to extract the maximum benefit from coconut masks, then follow the tips below. After applying the composition, do not wrap your head in a towel, and do not wear polyethylene products. Always leave the mask on all night. The recommended frequency of coconut masks is 1 time per week. Apply the compounds to wet hair, so they absorb and distribute useful substances better. Coconut masks can be used to restore hair after damage by thermal devices and chemical compounds. Also, the products from this oil can be used for preventive purposes. After reading these recipes, you do not need to spend money on expensive store tools. Coconut masks, due to their natural composition, not only cure existing problems, but also help hair regain its external appeal and health. If you want to live a healthy life, then stay tuned with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later and thanks for watching.